Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are good. We are going to start with a new chapter of our computers today, that is your chapter number 4, File Management. So, student, what do you mean by file management? Yeah, managing and organizing your work, your data in a particular folder or file is known as file management. Like you manage your study table, you organize your wardrobe, cupboards. Similarly, you organize your work in the computer as well. So, let's begin with files and folders. Creating a file, creating a new folder, renaming a file and folder, opening a folder, copying and moving a file and folder, deleting a file and folder, restoring deleted files and folders, searching file and folders on your computers. So let's just begin the chapter.
I also save my important documents in a folder on my computer. I always keep my important documents in folders, files and folders. When we draw or type something using computer software, we save it by naming it appropriately so that we can open it later. This document is called a file. A folder can have another folder in it, which is known as subfolder. We can create any number of subfolders. Each subfolder can hold any number of files and additional subfolders containing files or folders. File icons. Now, we will discuss something about file icons with the help of the following chart. Icons. Programs. Type of files. Paint. Picture file. Microsoft Word. Word processor. Microsoft PowerPoint. Presentation file. Microsoft Excel. Spreadsheet file. Microsoft Access. Notepad. Text file. Media player. Creating a new folder. Right-click on the location where you want to create a folder. Different locations are desktop, downloads, documents, etc. A drop box will appear. Click on the new option and then click on the folder. A new folder icon will be created. Renaming a file folder. Right-click on the file folder which has to be renamed and choose the rename option from the menu. In the highlighted area, type the new name of the file folder and press Enter key. The name of the file folder will be changed. Opening a folder. A folder contains collection of files. To open a folder, double-click on it. Alternatively, we can right-click on the folder that has to be opened and then click on Open. This will also open the folder. On opening a folder, we can see and manage all the files in it. Copying and moving a file, folder. Right-click on the file, folder that has to be copied. Click on Copy option from the shortcut menu. Right-click the folder where you want to copy it. Click Paste option from the shortcut menu. The file folder will be copied in the location you wanted. To move a file, folder. Right-click on the file, folder that has to be moved. Click on Cut option from the shortcut menu. Now, right-click the folder where you want to copy it. Click Paste option from the shortcut menu. The file, folder will be moved in the location you wanted. Deleting a file, folder. Right-click on the file, folder that has to be deleted. From the shortcut menu, click on the Delete option or press Delete key from the keyboard. The Delete File dialog box will appear. Click on Yes to delete the selected file. Restoring deleted files, folders. Double-click on the Recycle bin icon on the desktop to open it. Choose the file or folder which has to be restored. Right-click on that file or folder and then click on Restore. This will restore the file to its original location. Close the Recycle bin window. Searching files, folders on your computer. Click the Start button. Type a word or part of a word in the search box. Search results appear as soon as we start typing in the search box. As we type, items that match our text will appear on the Start menu.